round 2, digital nomading. Let's go. All right, y'all. Digital nomading starts right now. We made it in the great city of Cincinnati. Who that nation? Who that nation? We made it. Let's go. Welcome to Cincinnati, digital nomading. This is day 0. We arrived. We had a flight from San Diego to Seattle. Digital nomading, and then Seattle to Cincy. First flight 11 a.m. Now it's like 11:30 at night. Why are we here? Because we're going to the Kentucky Derby next weekend. So work remotely from Cincinnati. We're going to hang out with our friend Fry. You'll meet tomorrow. So super excited to be here. Go to get some food, go to bed, and we'll do day 1. Let's enjoy, y'all. Happy Monday, y'all. Good morning. In this hotel room. Shawnee boy working from the desk. I'm working from the bed. We out here digital nomading. We're about to go to our friend Michael's house in a couple minutes to go work from there. But when you're a remote worker like us, tech worker, the beauty is you can just work from your computer. Don't have any videos, just work Slack, other stuff like that. So you can lay in bed and work. Looking a little bit frail today, but it's okay. We're on the East Coast time. We don't get a lot of sleep out here, but it's all good. So we're gonna go hang out. You're gonna go see we're gonna work the rest of the week at our friend Fry's house. There's Nomad 101. Love it being able to work remotely. We in Cincy. Let's go have a good time. It's been way too long, my man. We out here. Sean and I know Michael from San Francisco. I used to work with Michael at Cisco, and then Sean and Michael both moved to New York and became great friends there as well. This is Michael's house in Cincy. He grew up in Cincy, now lives in a house in Cincy with his fiance. So cool that he let us stay there, work remotely, see a big house. Got to try their local Chipotle, not really Chipotle, and got to hang out there all day working, day 1. You see me here just hanging out, taking my meetings at his table, remote life, work wherever, as long as you got Wi-Fi, you can make it happen, baby. Day 1 is done working here from Fry's house. You know, we're here. We're working right there on the couch, and then the vice versa. Working right there, great spot. So now we go out, have a great dinner, enjoy some Cincinnati life. This is why I love digital nomading. Again, I can work remotely wherever I want. So I'm in Cincy, then we go to Louisville, so you get to see what it's like to work remotely, do all the SaaS product, you know, work from the computer, take meetings, interviews, all of it. So I'm enjoying it. So let's go enjoy some day 1 Cincy. And boy, was I treated. We went to the Precinct for dinner. It is one of the most famous restaurants inside Cincy. It's been around for a long time. It's a former police house, sheriff house. They now converted into a very nice steakhouse. You can see here, got amazing steak, macaroni, mac and cheese, salad, some ice cream. I went with Fry's fiance, Analia, their friends Michelle and Zach, who are also dating. It's so much fun. I got the 5th wheel. You can see the menu right here. Expensive, worth it, delicious. Highly, highly recommend going and trying this place.
This is gonna change your life.
Bon appetit. Open it up, Sean. Yeah. When Sean's got job interviews, he can't make dinner, so we bring him dinner. Yeah. Sick, bro. Sick, bro. 22 is on a Tuesday. Let's go. Working hard. But this is called being a digital nomad. You can just work from a couch. Still jacked though. So that was Tuesday lunchtime. We got Mike right here. We got food right here. Describe what we got, Mike.
We got the Skyline Chili specials. We got the cheese coney with everything. Onion, mustard, chili, cheese. We got a 4-way, our famous chili with onion. You add a little cheese, add a little crackers, add a little hot sauce. It's the hometown meal. Everybody's got to try when they're here.
And honestly, everyone I met from Cincy area is like, you got to go to Skyline. You got to go to Skyline. He's been talking about it nonstop. So let's get a reaction. Let's try this. We got the hot dog, baby. Let's try it.
Chili cheese coney.
chili cheese coney. Let's try it. Wow, that's really good. Hot dog in there. Cheese, baby. That's a lot of cheese.
Yeah. The cheese is like kind of what everyone loves when it's down.
You like to eat cheese all day. And we got to work out today, so we're feeling fit.
What do you think?
That's good.
Yeah?
It's a good hot dog too.
Yeah.
I love cheese. This is good.
4 ways.
Alright, so now we got round 2. We got the cheese. We got the chili. We got the cheese. We got the spaghetti. Wow, that is really good chili.
It is, right? It's the secret ingredient, cinnamon and chocolate.
Secret ingredient is cinnamon chocolate for Mike. That's really good. People, like I said, this is Cincy famous. When we travel, we try to go to the local spots. No Chipotle. We go local. Hell yeah. That's really fucking good. And I do promise y'all, I work very hard. It's not as fun on these videos to show me in Salesforce meetings, Salesforce updates, team meetings. Obviously, I need to concentrate. This is me just more having a social call for my reps. She asked me for a little bit of help and to hang out. So we were just talking here, have that Champions League game on the background, which was crazy. And, you know, work remotely from the couch, and then we can move on with the day. Tuesday over, we off. We're going to Montgomery! We out here in Montgomery, let's go. Welcome to the vlog. Montgomery's was sick. So much old photos, memorabilia, sports stuff. You saw the championship belt there, a bunch of Cincinnati Bengals, a bunch of Cincinnati Reds. You can see so much stuff here. I am a big sports buff, so this was great to see. We went early so I could just hang out. Fry knew I would love it, knows me so well. Just look at all this artifacts. It's so cool. And to me, all the history behind it is just so fun to see, especially when you travel. We get to go see the stuff. Obviously try the food. Got there early, went up upstairs to the bar, hung out in the bar. It's right here on the Ohio River, so you got this amazing view. Always be a gentleman, help the door open for people. So you get this view right here, you can hang out, eat some food, some drinks. We ended up going downstairs to eat, but this is just an amazing ride on the river. We saw some people kayaking, hanging out on the river. Was told don't go in the river, pretty dirty, so of course don't want to do that. But an amazing spot, amazing views to come kick in, hang out after work. Montgomery in, baby, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I cannot overstate how good these pulled pork nachos were. Oh my god, chili with the cheese, with the chips, fire. And this was our appetizers. We had some cocktail shrimp right here as well, but these pulled pork nachos, woo, go get them. Yeah. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Happy boys. Happy boys. Happy. Oh, look at that. Free at last.
Want to grab you some sauce for your onion straws? Can I get you anything else at the moment?
Yeah. Ready to feast. Thank you.
Happy boy. Happy boy. What did we get the ribs? 9.5 out of 10, baby.
This is the national favorite. It's worldwide.
Worldwide?
This is worldwide. Black raspberry chip.
This is the same ice cream we had yesterday too.
One bite.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. Let's see it. Loving life. Let's try it. Ice cream. Yep.
Let's go. Wait,
yep.
both of them. This is the world famous black raspberry chip. The vanilla is Unreal.
Yeah, let's try it, Sean. Lieutenant Dan, when did we get ice cream?
The ones that have the like puffy tops. That's kind of what's inside of it.
What do you think? What's your favorite so far?
The fingers.
The fingers. Looking the fingers. The best end to a great day.
Right? It's dense though. Okay, I'm done.
Dying to be away.
Zach and Michelle, if you're watching this, thank you so much for letting us enjoy. Sean's happy. Nom, 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 nom. What's better, this or the ice cream?
This. 100% this.
Yes, Sean working.
Welcome to the vlog.
You're welcome to the vlog, Day Wednesday. We got pizza, Rosa family pizza, food tour. What type of pizza is it, Fry?
Pepperoni, sausage, onion. The best.
The best?
Eat it. The family-friendly, Cincinnati famous pizza. A spicier sauce.
It's pretty good. Long day, all back-to-back meetings, really no break. It's the life of a manager, one-on-ones, product calls, customer calls. It takes a lot, mentally draining. Gotta try to like take walks throughout the day, whatever you can do, but it's a lot. Work is over. We're heading to downtown Cincinnati. They call it the little big city in the US. Pretty cool. Right here you got Cincinnati Reds baseball stadium, and then right across the way you got the Cincinnati Bengals football stadium. Cool area, vibrant, bars, restaurants, hangout spot. Definitely can see this popping on a Sunday football day or when baseball's in town. Now we're walking from downtown to more of the business district. We're going to this dive bar that apparently is the best wings in town, and what Fry says is the best wings he's ever had. So we're happy to go test them out. Love wings. I'm not gonna lie, they were dank.
Dump it.
Hell yeah. Best wings in the country per fry. Dude?
Oh. Shit, you're miles ahead of me, man.
Yeah, we still have like a couple more orders coming out.
Oh
so.
yeah, let's fucking go! Bon app.
What happened to our star cheese? Alright, we're good. Everybody?
Star cheese.
It's really good.
Now
Got kicked with it.
talking session now. Oh yeah. I remember.
Hot barbecue doesn't taste very hot.
Hey, all right, Sean, what'd you give that?
Welcome to the vlog.
What would you give that?
9.
9? I give it a 9.
9, bitch.
All the food's been hella good. Cannot complain. Good morning, fam. Thursday morning. Last day working before a holiday. And we go to the Kentucky Derby. Get to go for a run. You can see it's gloomy out today. Probably gonna rain at some point. Haven't ran all week. Need to get that running. You saw how much I love running. So let's go enjoy Cincinnati running around, see what it's like. Had a couple meetings this morning. Took an hour to go for a run, get the workout in, so let's enjoy. Now we're in the forest for a little forest trail run, which are my favorite. Bye. So we out. Remote work at Fry's house. What? Bye. Sean's on the meeting right now. Can't talk. So we're back where we started. We're back at the airport. Working remotely at Fry's house is now done. Now it's time for Kentucky Derby. Fry, thank you so much for letting me stay there. Babe, baby, thank you for letting me stay there. You're amazing. And babe. And now we get to have some fun at the Kentucky Derby, y'all. So let's enjoy some debauchery, bachelor party, Nate Vance. Let's get it. Welcome to Leap of Faith vlog this week, Kentucky Derby. One of my good friends, Nate, had his bachelor party in Louisville, Kentucky for the Kentucky Derby. 3 days of fun, absolute wildness. You'll see us enjoying Kentucky, Louisville, all that goes with it, and of course, the main show, Kentucky Derby. Here's a little photo montage. Let's get to the videos, y'all. Enjoy it.